Top 5 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. In today's fast-paced world, where convenience meets innovation, the realm of household chores has been revolutionized by the emergence of technology. Among these modern marvels, robot vacuums have taken center stage, offering a hands-free solution to one of the most repetitive and time-consuming tasks, keeping our floors clean. These intelligent machines have swiftly carved a niche for themselves in homes around the globe, blending cutting-edge technology with practicality. In this overview, we delve into the realm of automated cleanliness and present the top 5 robot vacuums that have garnered acclaim for their efficiency, functionality, and seamless integration into our daily lives. Join us as we explore the world of these tireless, automated cleaners that have transformed the way we maintain our living spaces. The ILIFE A4S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a high-performance cleaning solution designed to provide efficiency and convenience. With a powerful 2000 pascals max suction, it effectively captures dirt and debris from hard floors to medium carpets, ensuring a thorough clean. Equipped with electro-wall technology, it creates virtual barriers to keep the vacuum within designated cleaning areas. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disruption, allowing it to work seamlessly in your home environment. The automatic self-charging feature guarantees that the vacuum is always ready for use, reducing the need for constant monitoring. Presented in a sleek black color, the ILIFE A4S Pro adds a touch of modernity to your living space. Its compact design allows it to navigate tight spaces with ease, while the efficient cleaning capabilities make it suitable for various floor types. Whether it's hardwood or carpets, this robot vacuum offers a hassle-free cleaning experience, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and unobtrusive cleaning solution. The Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum is an advanced cleaning solution that brings convenience and efficiency to your home. Featuring an XL HEPA self-empty base with an impressive 60-day capacity, this vacuum eliminates the need for frequent emptying, making maintenance a breeze. Its cutting-edge LiDAR navigation technology ensures precise and thorough cleaning across various surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. Designed with pet owners in mind, the vacuum effectively tackles pet hair and dander, leaving your space spotless and fresh. The vacuum's compatibility with Alexa and Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy remote control and scheduling using voice commands or your smartphone. With its sleek black design, the Shark AV2501AE adds a touch of sophistication to your living space. Its bagless design contributes to user convenience and environmental friendliness. Combining AI technology with user-friendly features, this robot vacuum delivers exceptional performance, making it an excellent choice for households seeking an advanced and effortless cleaning solution. The ILIFE V3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning solution for your home. Its tangle-free suction technology ensures hassle-free operation, preventing annoying clogs. With its slim design, this robotic vacuum effortlessly navigates tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. The automatic self-charging feature ensures that the vacuum is always ready to clean, minimizing user intervention. You can conveniently set a daily cleaning schedule, allowing the vacuum to maintain your floors effortlessly. Specifically designed for homes with pets, the V3S Pro effectively tackles pet hair while providing thorough cleaning on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Presented in an elegant pearl white finish, this vacuum complements various interior styles. Its compact build and quiet operation make it a discreet addition to any living space. The ILIFE V3S Pro combines functionality and convenience, making it a valuable tool for busy households seeking to keep their floors clean without the effort. The Shark AV911S Easy Robot Vacuum offers a seamless cleaning experience for your home. Featuring a self-empty base with a 30-day capacity, this vacuum eliminates the need for frequent emptying, enhancing convenience. Its intelligent row-by-row cleaning ensures systematic coverage, effectively tackling dirt and pet hair. Designed for pet owners, the vacuum's powerful suction efficiently captures pet hair and debris, leaving your space spotless. With Alexa compatibility and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can effortlessly control and schedule cleaning sessions from your smartphone or using voice commands. Presented in an elegant gray hue, the Shark AV911S adds a touch of modernity to your living space. Its bagless design further simplifies maintenance. Combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, this robot vacuum streamlines your cleaning routine, making it an excellent choice for households seeking efficiency in cleanliness. The Shark AV1010AE IQ Robot Vacuum is an advanced cleaning solution designed to provide hassle-free maintenance of your home. With its XL self-empty base boasting a generous 45-day capacity, the vacuum offers extended convenience without the need for frequent emptying. Equipped with intelligent navigation technology, it adeptly maneuvers around obstacles and efficiently cleans various surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. The multi-surface brush roll ensures thorough dirt, pet dander, and dust removal, making it a perfect choice for households with pets. Connectivity features like Wi-Fi and compatibility with Alexa bring cutting-edge convenience, allowing you to control and schedule cleaning sessions remotely. The vacuum's sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to any living space. This Shark robot vacuum integrates powerful performance with smart capabilities, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an effortless and effective cleaning solution for their homes. The world of household cleaning has been revolutionized by the advent of robot vacuums, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and convenience. The top 5 robot vacuums mentioned above showcase a diverse range of features to cater to different needs and preferences. From the advanced Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum with its XL self-empty base and multi-surface cleaning capabilities, to the ILIFE V3S Pro robot vacuum cleaner's slim design and pet-friendly features, each vacuum brings unique strengths to the table. The Shark AV911S Easy Robot Vacuum impresses with its self-emptying base and row-by-row cleaning strategy, while the Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum stands out with its AI-powered LiDAR navigation and extended 60-day capacity. Lastly, the ILIFE A4S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner combines powerful suction with automatic self-charging and virtual barriers, making it a versatile cleaning companion. These top 5 robot vacuums collectively illustrate the evolution of smart cleaning technology, offering efficient, hands-free cleaning solutions for modern households. As technology continues to advance, these devices provide a glimpse into the future of effortless and effective home maintenance.